So, what are the various opportunities that you see in the private equity market today from the investment point of view?
Are you looking at the sectors?
Yeah, sectors, companies.
Let me talk about the sectors. You know, we all talk about the demographic dividend India offers, and which will continue to be there for the next maybe 25, 30 years because of the demographic advantage. But I think this can be a huge liability if it is not handled properly. So which are the areas where these issues need to be handled properly so that the demographic advantage does not become a liability? So one is the healthcare. So we need to have very good healthcare and affordable healthcare in India. So that's primary need of this country. The second thing is the education. So again, affordable education is the most important thing. The third thing is, of course, we all talk about the infrastructure. So infrastructure, we all know that India has got very poor infrastructure. So that's another area. The fourth is the financial services, because if India has to grow at the rate of even, I would say, 6 to 7%, forget about 8 or 9%, but even if India has to grow at the rate of 6 to 7% over the next 25, 30 years, then we need huge amount of investment in financial services sector. I'm not talking only about banks or NBFCs, but a lot of the support areas, including some of these credit information availability, track record of the the borrowers, which is basically the credit information, plus mobile technology in financial services is going to play a major role. So when I talk about financial services, I'm talking about broader range of financial services. So that's another area. Real estate, yes, but again, the industry needs to be regulated. The industry today is not regulated, so I would advise caution when you get into the real estate. And of course, we all have been talking about India is only known for services, and if you want to make India as China has become a global manufacturing hub, and India is the global services hub. According to me, India still can play an important role in manufacturing, but certain niche areas, for example, you can say very familiar with automobile industry. So automobile component industry is one area where there is a good scope for investment, and like that you can identify many sub-segments in different parts of manufacturing industry where you can make good investments.